everyone, welcome back to my channel The Beauty Blizz. In today's video I'm going to share with you all that how I created this look. This is an easy beginner makeup look, and during the video I'm going to share with you all that what are the products I'm going to use in this video and its range, which is good for a beginner friendly makeup kit. And at the end of the video, I'll be sharing with you from where I purchased all the products that I have used in this tutorial. So do watch this video till end. Before you begin with any kind of makeup look, you need to moisturize your face, whether your skin is oily or dry. As my skin texture is oily, I'm using this moisturizer from Jovees. This is a non-sticky moisturizer. It does not make my skin feel sticky and greasy. I'm going to take its 2 pumps in my hand and then apply over my face. And also on my neck area. So after moisturizer, I'm going to use this BB cream from Maybelline, and in this my shade is 03 Natural. The reason behind using BB cream, if you are an office or college going girl, then BB cream will give goodness of foundation, concealer and sunscreen in the same cream. So if you're running late for anything, then you're good to go with this BB cream. So now I'm applying this cream by slightly patting it on my face. You can use a beauty blender or a brush according to your convenience, but I'm using my hands for blending it on my skin. After applying my BB cream, now I'm going to set my face using this compressed powder from Blue Heaven, and in this my shade is Natural 4. So the reason behind I'm suggesting this powder, because this is good under the 200 range and it provides a pretty good coverage, and yeah, it's good to go for a beginner friendly kit. So now I'm going to apply this powder using this applicator which comes with this powder. So now I'm done with my base makeup. Now moving towards the eye makeup look. First I'm going to set my eyebrows using this eyebrow pencil from Miss Claire in shade 02 Dark Brown, and this also comes under the range of 100 rupees. So I'll begin with brushing off my eyebrows using this brush, small brush which comes with the same eyebrow pencil. And then after that, I'll just start to fill my eyebrow. So now I'm going to apply liner on my eyelids. For that I have got 2 options. First is this Kajal from Nykaa, another one is this liquid liner from Miniso. So you can select either of these 2 options depending in which you're most comfortable while applying, and this is good to go for a beginner friendly kit because it comes under a range of 200 rupees. Now I'm going to make a thick eyeliner look. Finishing my eye makeup using this mascara from Maybelline, the Hyper Curl Volume Express Waterproof Mascara, and this comes under the range of 500 rupees. You can also go for a non-waterproof variant that will probably come under the range of 300. So depending on your choice, if you want to go for waterproof one, you can go for it, or you can go for a non-waterproof one. Let me mention one thing, that applying mascara is an optional step. If you want to apply, you can apply it or you can skip it. finally I'm done with my eye makeup. So now I'm going to apply lipstick. For that lipstick, I'm going to use this lipstick from Faces Canada in shade Blazing Blush 20. And yes, this lipstick is great for a beginner friendly kit because it also comes under 300 rupees. So yes, and you can also use this lipstick as a blush. I'll show you how to use this as a blush also. So now I'm going to show you how to use this lipstick as blush. So for that, you have to take this much amount of the lipstick and then start dabbing it on your face. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video. The products that I have used in this video have been mentioned in the description box with its price, and you can purchase all products from Nykaa. All products that I have used are under range of 500 and 200 rupees, which is good for a beginner friendly kit. And yes, if you like my video, hit the like button, share this video with your family and friends, and comment down below that what do you think about this look. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification of my every new video. So see you next time. Bye.